So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Vizio TV update problems, stuck on downloading, force update and factory reset. Fix 1 is perform a hard power cycle. Unplug the Vizio TV from the wall socket while it is on. Press and hold the physical power button on the back or bottom of the TV for 10 to 15 seconds. Then wait for 5 minutes to allow the internal capacitor to fully drain. Plug the TV back into the outlet and turn it on. Second fix is troubleshoot your internet connection. Unplug the Wi-Fi router for 60 seconds and then plug it back in to restart. Temporarily move the router closer to the TV for better signal strength. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the router directly to the TV for the most reliable download speed. Third fix is bypass the update or erase memory. Locate the volume down and input button on the back of your TV, then press and hold both buttons simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. Wait for the screen to display erasing memory. Manually proceed through the initial setup process. Choose to skip the update for now. Fourth fix is perform a manual USB firmware update. Visit the Vizio support page or to find firmware files or your TV model or serial number. Format a USB thumb drive to FAT32. Then extract the download firmware files and copy them to the root directory of the USB drive. Turn off your TV and insert the USB drive into the USB port. Then turn the TV back on. It will automatically detect the drive and start the firmware update. Thanks for watching.